Hello my dear students, today we're going to find the integral of following function using two resources. The first one is calculating this integral right here of this function, okay? So before we start, I'll show you some concepts. So we have x relates with y through the function f, okay? This notation means that, right? And then we get a function right here, and that is x squared plus sine of x. So to integrate this, we must remember the integral of a sum of functions breaks into the sum of these integrals, okay? Yeah, so we got right here the integral of x squared with respect to x plus the integral of sine of x with respect to x, okay? So now we need to remember I've taken right here the fundamental integrals, okay, to solve this problem. And the integral of x to the power of m with respect to x is we just put plus 1 in the exponent and divide by the sum, okay? We sum 1 in the exponent and divide by the sum, and don't forget a constant. So this is x, this is x squared plus 1 times divided by 2 plus 1, okay, plus the first constant right here. And then we got the integral of sine of x, that is minus cosine, okay? So this is minus cosine of x and plus another constant, okay? So now we just sum the constants right here, k1 plus k2, and we take this k1 plus k2, we put sc, okay? And then we will get 2 plus 1 is equal to 3, so x3 divided by 3 minus cosine of x plus constant. So this is integral of this function right here, okay? To know that is this function exactly, we must derive the function. So we derive with respect to x this function right here, okay? Let me just copy right here, and so then okay, so when we derive right here, we got this is we use the polynomial rule. So we take this multiplying this term right here, so we get 3 and we subtract 1, okay? We subtract 1 over 3 minus the integral of the derivative of cosine of x is minus sine of x. So okay, and then we can minus with minus will give us plus, right? And this derivative will be x squared 3 minus 1 is equal to plus sine of x. So this is real proof that this integral of x squared plus sine of x is equal this. So now we're gonna solve the ODE, okay? So to solve this ODE right here, we know that this is a notation but we can treat as number too, right? As it is infinitesimal, okay? So we pass this multiplying right here, okay? So we got the dy is equal x squared plus sine of x dx, okay? Now we integrate both sides, okay? Integrate dy, integrate of x squared plus sine of x dx, okay? So integral of dy, it's just y, okay? Plus some constant right here, maybe k1, right? And this integral we calculated by breaking sum, okay? And we got, let's see, this, yeah, x cubed over 3 minus cosine of x and plus some constant too, okay? So if we got k2 minus k1 and define this as just c, okay, we will get y equal x cubed over 3 minus cosine of x plus c. So this is an example, guys, that we have right here, and we have two ways to calculate an integral, yeah? And when we solve an ODE such that dy dx is equal to some function, we just integrate this function with respect to this variable. Okay, guys? Thank you so much.